my dad has to do an eye test. Woo! So let's film the lifts here, up to the first one, which is here, going down to the food court. It looks cheap, not woo. Shanghai step. That's definitely Shanghai step already. I'll try it for convenience and not revealing my face. Here it is. Whoa, leveling's actually really good. Oh. Oh, I almost pressed the alarm bell. It's an Otis ReGen. Okay, I could have expected that. Pretty doors though, kind of. Why is it there? The alarm button should be on the top. And this button is loose. LG G1. And that's it for the first lift. Oh, come on. So, go back, down top of Thank you, door close button for once. Vietnamese kitchen. Yeah, good to know. Oh no, call cancel. Okay, that's it for the first lift.